10 years ago, making a digital payment in India was very different. Today, scanning a QR code and transferring money instantly has become part of everyday life. On August 25, 2016, India launched the Unified Payments Interface or UPI, a system that has since transformed the country's digital payments landscape. As UPI completes 10 years, Prime Minister Narendra Modi in a post on X has called it a major turning point in India's digital payments journey. UPI was developed by the National Payments Corporation of India or NPCI under the regulatory oversight of the Reserve Bank of India. The journey began with a pilot launch in April 2016 involving 21 member banks. The system was open to the public in August 2016 as participating banks began offering UPI-enabled apps. And just a few months later, in December 2016, the Bheem app was launched. But the real transformation can be seen in the numbers. In financial year 2016-17, UPI recorded just 1.78 crore transactions. Fast forward to FY 2025-26 and the annual transaction volume crossed 2,462 crore transactions. That is an almost 13,000-fold increase in just 9 years. The value of transactions has also exploded. From around rupees 0.07 lakh crore in FY 2016-17, UPI transaction value reached approximately rupees 314 lakh crore in FY 2025-26. That represents a growth of more than 4,000 times. And UPI is no longer limited to India. India's real-time payment platform is now accepted in 11 countries, with Greece and the Maldives being the latest countries to adopt the system. This has turned UPI into one of India's most visible digital innovations on the global stage. How UPI works. So what made UPI such a game changer? UPI allows users to connect multiple bank accounts through a single mobile application. It enables instant person-to-person transfers, merchant payments, and other banking services all through one platform. Security is another key component, with two-factor authentication and end-to-end encryption used to protect transactions. The expansion of UPI has also changed how small businesses and consumers transact. From street vendors and local shops to large retailers, QR code payments have made digital transactions accessible across different sections of society. The government has also introduced measures under the Payment and Settlement Systems Framework, including provisions related to merchant discount rates, while consumers do not pay a charge for making UPI payments. From 1.78 crore transactions in its first financial year to more than 24,000 crore transactions annually, UPI's journey over the past decade has been extraordinary. What started with a limited number of banks has evolved into a massive digital payments ecosystem, transforming how India sends, receives, and spends money. And as UPI completes 10 years, its story is no longer just about digital payments. It is a story of how India built a homegrown payment system and took it from a domestic innovation to a technology with global reach.